Welcome back. Today, I'll show you exactly how to allow tags from everyone on Instagram using the web version on your PC. Instagram recently updated its interface and some settings have moved around, so if you've been struggling to find this option, you're definitely not alone. Let's walk through it step by step so you can get it done in under a minute. First, open your browser and go to Instagram. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home feed, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up with several options. From there, click on Settings. This will open your account settings where you can control your privacy, notifications, and more. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Tags and Mentions. Click on it. This is where Instagram lets you decide who can tag or mention you in posts and comments. Now, under the Tags section, you'll see a few options. To allow anyone on Instagram to tag you, simply select Allow Tags from Everyone.